Hello, my dear grade 7 learners. I am teacher Demi. Join me as we explore the wondrous nature of science.
Welcome to today's lesson on percent by mass. Have you ever wondered how scientists measure the concentration of substances in a mixture or a compound? Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating concept that allows us to do just that. Before anything else, let us define first percent by mass. Percent by mass, also known as weight percent, is a measure of the concentration of a particular component, usually a substance or element, in a mixture expressed as a percentage of the total mass of the mixture. It is commonly used in chemistry and other scientific disciplines to quantify the relative amount of a substance within a mixture. The formula for calculating percentage by mass is Before we jump into problem solving, let's get a solid grasp of the concept. Now, let us examine first the formula for percentage by mass. To get the percent by mass, you must have first the mass of solute, then divide it by the mass of solution, then multiply by 100. The mass of solute usually exists in smaller amount, while the mass of solution is the sum of the mass of solute and mass of the solvent. Now that you know the formula on how to solve problems involving percentage by mass, let us now try to solve the following problem. A solution contains 40 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 160 grams of water. Calculate the percent by mass of sodium chloride in the solution. Let us start by identifying the given. What do you think is the given? The given is 40 grams of sodium chloride, 160 grams of water. What is being asked in the problem? Percent by mass of sodium chloride. Let's do now the mathematics. Let's divide first 40 grams by 200 grams. The answer will be 0.2, then multiply your answer by 100. What do you think is the answer? The answer is 20. If you got it correctly, very good. Ready for more? Here is problem number 2. A 100 grams solution with a concentration of 2% has a known amount of solute. Calculate the amount of solute. The given for this problem are as follows. 100 grams mass of solution, 2% is the percent by mass. What is being asked in the problem is the mass of the solute. Let's now do the mathematics. In this problem, the unknown is the volume of the solute. So let us now use the given to substitute the formula. 2% is equal to mass of solute multiplied by 100. For problems like this, the first step to perform is to rearrange the formula by cross-multiplying 2% and 100 ml. Your formula should appear like this. The second step is to identify the location of the desired value. In this problem, it is the volume of solute, which is just beside 100. We would want the 100 to be eliminated, so we will divide both sides by 100. Your equation should appear like this. Step 3 is for you to cancel the same units in the equation. In our example, it is the 100. You then get the formula for the volume of the solute, which is. We can now proceed to step number 4. Calculate. 2 multiplied by 100 grams is equal to 200 grams. Next step is to divide 200 grams with 100. What do you think is the answer? The answer is 2 grams. If you got it correctly, very good! Now, how about if the missing part is the total amount of the solution? Well, let's try to solve this problem. A 45% concentration of a solution contains 4 grams of solute. What is the mass of the solution? Let us first identify the given. The given are as follows. The percent by mass is 45%. The mass of solute is 4.5 grams. What is being asked in the problem? Now, using the formula for percentage by mass, let us substitute. The first step is to rearrange the formula by cross-multiplying 45% with the mass of solution, thus resulting to this.
The second step is to locate where the desired unit is. In this case, we want to know the mass of the solution. Since the mass of the solution is just beside the 45%, we will then divide both sides of the equation with 45. Step 3 is for you to cancel the same unit or number. In this case, it is the 45. The resulting final formula is. We can now proceed to step number 4, calculate. The first step is to multiply 4.5 grams by 100. The answer is 450 grams. Then, we will divide 450 grams by 45. What do you think is the answer?
The answer is 10 grams.
Now that we are done with the examples, let us try to answer the following problems. Grab those pen and paper and answer the following. have learned something from me today. We will end our lesson here.
Remember that learning science is always fun. It leads you to discover things beyond your imagination and to think with endless possibilities. Once again, this is Teacher Demi, your chemistry buddy.